keep it?
Me.
How about we have a contest? Whoever makes the grossest dessert gets to keep this cute spider.
Wait a minute, you guys are gonna have a gross dessert contest?
Yes.
So you can keep a spider?
Yeah.
Really?
Makes sense, right?
All right, I guess so. So, wait a minute, does Spider, do you want to have somebody be? I guess he doesn't really care. No, Spider, you can't get out of the stove. Yeah, because then we'll have, you know what we'll have?
A burnt spider.
We'll have a cooked spider. It'll be like spider legs.
And it'll be good. No Spider-Man.
I don't think it's Spider-Man. Okay, who's gonna go first and make the grossest dessert? I think we'll let the assistant go first.
Okay. Yes, I did rock.
All right, let's go, assistant. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, assistant. Are you ready for the grossest dessert contest?
Yes. And today I will be making my famous frog egg slime.
You're making frog egg slime?
Yeah, it's the grossest dessert, and mine's definitely gonna be the grossest with frog egg slime. And it has to be edible.
That's right. So this
Edible means eatable, that you can eat.
edible means edible. All right. So she's gonna make special frog. So let's look and see what we have. So you got a package of frogs,
Gummies.
colored frogs,
And some,
frog eggs, which are actually just candy.
yeah, the gummy frogs.
So the first step is you need how many cups of our magic water?
2.
So there. Whoa! Look at that magic water. All right.
Okay, let's do this. Okay, a little bit more.
All right.
I think that's a good.
So
Is
one
that
cup.
good? Okay.
1 cup. Okay.
Now, the second one. That's
Now
definitely a cup.
Second cup. Oh, we better put that cover back on that magic water.
Yeah, if it gets loose.
There's no telling. It might turn us all into frogs, right?
Yeah.
All right. So what's your next step?
To pour it while stirring.
Oh, you gotta add that. So we gotta open this up so you can start stirring your water.
Just stirring the water.
All right. Here's your magic frog egg slime stuff. So you pour that in, right?
Okay, while stirring.
While stirring. It turned green. Really, it did. This really is green.
Yeah,
Or is it? Is it red?
it's really green.
It is. I think even Crystal agrees that it's green.
Whoa!
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, pouring it. Whoa. Okay, that's enough.
Look how green that is.
Whoa. Yeah, look at that sloppy stuff.
Whoa. All right, so you've got the green. Now what are you gonna add to it?
So what I'm going to add to this is, maybe some, sprinkles
Some sprinkles to it?
and
You wouldn't want to add too many, right? Because you still have to add the frog eggs and...
yeah, that's probably good.
Okay. Good job. So you got that in. Okay, so here she
Stir my
goes.
magic ingredients, and now look how gloopy it is.
Whoa. So what are you going to do, assistant? What's the next step?
So now I gotta do it. I will put it in this magic disposal thing. Now I need to electrify it
Electrify it?
to make it cook faster. Or
Oh, that's right, because it's green frogs, right? You got to make the frogs out of it. So wait, what are you going to do, though? I don't get it.
so what I'm going to do is.
Whoa! Wait a minute!
That's how it works. Okay, I think that's enough.
Now you got to put it in the refrigerator, right?
Right for.
And let it sit. All right,
Okay.
let's put it in the fridge.
Okay, it's ready.
It's been 1 hour, so let's look at it now.
Yeah, my friend Crystal has already gone.
Yeah.
This is after. Now look how.
Ooh, look at how thick it is. That
Stuff.
frog slime is so thick, assistant.
Okay, just stir it a little bit more. Now we'll add the ingredients.
What's the first thing? You're adding actual frogs to it?
No, they're gummies.
Oh, that makes me feel way better that they're not actual frogs.
Well, this green one might be, because that magic water, you don't know what it's gonna do.
That's right, because you added magic. Is there still more magic water in there?
Yep, of
Whoa, look at
course. So steamy.
Wow.
Now for my last magic
So you added
frog.
frogs.
Ooh,
So look.
Should I stir them?
Yeah, you should stir those frogs in there.
Bloosh.
That sure is a gross dessert. You might actually win that spider.
Yep, he's pretty cute.
Now you gotta add the what?
The froggy eggs.
Frog eggs? You're adding frog eggs to it too?
I'm gonna cut it over this.
Okay, that's a good idea. So what they spill, they'll spill right into the container and not all over the place, right?
Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Whoa, look at that! Those are the frog eggs, also known as just candy.
Yeah, they're also known as like hard candy or something.
Okay, so now you're stirring that. So now she's got.
Whoa, they're like little foam beads. They look like foam beads, but they're not.
So she made
They're like sprinkles.
frog eggs slime that you could really eat.
But look at that.
Whoa! And we bought it at Target. Okay, as I said, we're gonna.
Smells delicious.
It does smell good, so we're gonna let Crystal go, and we're gonna let people decide who wins the spider. Is it the assistant and her frog egg surprise slime, or is it gonna be Crystal?
I'll put this on the judging table.
Good idea. All right, Crystal. Now the assistant made some really spooky stuff. Do you think you can beat her?
Yes, and I'm gonna make some spooky cookies.
Spooky cookies? Really? Is that what they're called? Spooky cookies?
Yeah.
All right. So what's your first ingredient in your spooky cookies?
The magic water.
The magic water is her first ingredient. Well, there it is.
Whoa, I may have got a little bit too much.
There's her magic water, her first ingredient, and her spooky cookies. What's next, Crystal?
I need my hood to thank.
You need your hood. You know what? You're getting a little skinny. You're like all skin and bones. Like literally, I can see your bones. All right. So what's your next ingredient?
Oh, I got the eyeballs.
Eyeballs and your cookies?
Yes.
Okay.
The hide and eek.
5 eyeballs. What? That's a lot of eyes. Oh, you dropped them. All right. What's next?
I'll do some bunny greens. But first, I gotta mash them up because they gotta be really small.
Okay. Oh, you're smashing them with the spoon?
Yeah, that's the only thing I have.
Good point, good point. All right, so you got that. You're gonna put it in with your magic water and your eyeballs. Okay. Good job. What are you gonna do next?
Let's do some marshmallows.
Marshmallows, okay. How do they call them marshmallows? Marshmallows.
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 Are they? Wait, no, let me see those marshmallows. Are they extra spooky?
Yes.
Are they extra spooky?
Yes.
Let's let the people see. Do you think these are extra spooky marshmallows?
They
You know
look
how
like
you know?
candy corn.
They do. I'm gonna throw at you. All right. All right. So we got the marshmallows. And what else are we gonna add?
Let's add some cotton candy.
Cotton candy, really? To cookies?
Yeah.
You use cotton candy for cookies? It doesn't look like you got a lot of cotton candy.
Let's use some glue.
Okay, blue cotton candy. Okay.
Oh, it
It melts. The magic water makes it melt right away, doesn't it?
Yes.
Whoa.
You can see some pink in there.
You can't. That's probably from the eyeballs, which are actually just gumballs. They're not really like eyeballs, because you know we're not like fingers and eyeballs, are we? Ooh.
I'm going to mix some stuff.
So now she's gonna mix it. Woo! Mixing.
This looks certainly
Crystal, you got a little
delicious.
cotton candy stuck to your thumb, sweetheart.
I don't know.
Oh, no, there you go. Or is that spider webs?
I don't know.
Could be either one, right?
When you taste it, you can see.
All right. So you've got your ingredients. What are you gonna do next for your spooky?
I'm gonna add some sprinkles.
Some more sprinkles. Okay.
I'm gonna add these.
Oh, the assistant actually added those same sprinkles. Do you know what she made?
I heard that she made some slime.
She did. It is so disgusting, but I'm not allowed to tell you what kind it is. I'm not allowed to tell you. People at home, don't tell Crystal what kind it is.
This is mine.
So this is what she's got so far. All right, ready? So let's see that. All right. Oh, you're just like the assistant. You're going to use that high voltage thing.
Okay.
But people at home, it's really just a prop.
Yeah.
Whoa! It's the assistant got loose. You got to be careful.
Yeah.
And also, people at home, everything that we use today, we're going to donate the same amount to a local food pantry, right?
Yeah.
That's right. So we're not going to waste anything. So we're going to make sure that people that don't have food have food.
Yeah.
All right. So let's see your final product when you're done, okay?
Okay.
Let's take a look. Okay. So we've got our spooky dessert to decide who's going to win the spider. So we've got spooky skeleton crystal. And explain your cookies to us.
I put a little eyeballs on them, and then I put some spider webs, blue spider webs.
Oh,
they
blue.
kind of sunk in, but
Blue spider webs, also known as cotton candy, right?
yeah. And then I got some sprinkles, and then my icing is the orange icing.
Whoa, that looks awful spooky. I was called you assistant. Your name's not the assistant. So look, hey, and then we've got the assistant green slime frog eggs, right?
Frog eggs, slime, and mine's all goopy and stuff. I use some of the magic water, that's why it's,
We actually bought that at Target, didn't we?
yeah, for Halloween.
For Halloween. So who had the spookier dessert? Do we have the slime frog eggs here? Ooh. Or is it Crystal's eyeball cookies? You know what? You have your parents leave a comment, and that way we'll know who wins the spider. Hey, you know what? Even if we don't win a spider, was it fun to have a cooking contest like this?
Yeah.
Wasn't that fun?
And don't worry, Spider, you're gonna come home with me soon. No, me.
Oh.
No, me.
Well, make sure you leave a comment and let us know who's the winner. And remember, it's always fun to just kind of decorate things for Halloween and all the other holidays.
Yeah.
Hey, people at home, also leave a comment and tell us what should we do next.
Yeah.
Maybe spooky turkeys?
Ooh.
Spooky pumpkins?
Spooky gummy brains.
Whoa, there's so many pop spoons. Leave a comment and let us know. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Until they decide it's the spider's mine.
Hey there everyone! Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there that you can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye!